Hi boys and girls in 3rd grade. Here are the solutions for this week's problems of the day. I decided to make them all in one video so that you could watch them today and go back and check your work if you need to. Here's number 1 on 511. It said, how many squares are there in the figure at the right? It was interesting. I had a couple different people say like, oh, but there are some that are rectangles. They're all supposed to be squares, so I'm sorry if the shape wasn't super perfect. Here's what I have. So in this area, I have 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, but if you'll notice, they all make up a 5th square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The correct answer for the 11th was 7 squares. On 512, if 48 Oreo cookies were shared equally among 8 children, each child will get blank Oreo cookies. That's a division problem. I have 48 divided by 8 would be 6. If I'm not sure, I could also use the draw a picture strategy and give each children cookies until I run out, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's not enough cookies. I'd have to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now if I have 6 kids and they each have 4 cookies, that would be 24 cookies. So I'd have to give them more cookies among 8 kids, right? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now each kid has 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 times another 6 is 24. And 24 plus 24 is 48 cookies. Let's take a look at the problem of the day for 513. It says if A4 plus B3 equals 8A, then I'd have to find AB minus BA. So my first job is to find out what A and B stand for. Let's start in the ones column. 4 plus 3 is what? 4 plus 3 is 7. Good job. And if A is 7 there, A is going to be 7 up at the top of the tens column too. 7 plus what makes 8? 7 plus 1 makes 8. So that means A is 7 and B is 1. So 71 minus 17 is what I'm going to do last. I'm going to set it up going up and down, going vertically. So 1, there we go. So 1 minus 7 I can't do. I'm going to cross out the 7, make it a 6. 11 minus 7 would be 4. 6 minus 1 would be 5. So my final answer is 54. And the last one on 514, which was yesterday, you'll notice that now that we have Win Fridays, I will not put a new problem of the day on Fridays. So you will only have 4 problems of the day in the week. For this problem, it says Penelope is making a bead necklace. The first bead is green, the second bead is blue, then red, then yellow, then purple. So it's a pattern. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads in that pattern. Then she starts with a green bead again and continues the same sequence. The last bead strung is a green bead. It was the 12th green bead she used. The necklace has a total of blank beads. So let's look at it. If there are 5 beads in the sequence and she uses 12 green beads, but then that's like the last bead, it means that she must have done 11 of this pattern. Okay, 11 times 5 beads would be 55 beads. And then the one more, the one extra green, I meant to write the word green, means she used 56 beads altogether. Okay, so if she used all of these in the last sequence, her last bead would have been purple. But because it said the last bead is green, that's how I know she used 11 of this pattern and then 1 extra green bead. Okay, if you watched today's video, comment below it with the word blue as our secret word for this week, and I will give you a bonus point. Thanks for watching. See you next week.